Hey folks, this is Russ with Wrenching with Russ. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the dreaded P0456 or P0457 code if you've got a 2009 to 2019 Ram 1500 truck. This is an easy fix. A lot of people think it's the gas cap, and a lot of people will sell you a gas cap, but actually it's most of the time it's not. It's the fuel vapor leak detection pump, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, this is what you're going to be replacing. This is the new ones on the right, the old ones on the left, and just want to show you what it looks like. You can get this at AutoZone for like 50 bucks, and it's real easy to put in. It's right above the fuel tank. There's one line that goes to it, and there's one plug that goes to it. And I'm going to show it to you right now. This comes with a gasket also. You got to make sure you get the old gasket off and put the new one on. So this is going to be the vapor line. There's going to be your plug, and right in the back, right there is where this thing mounts. And all it is, it just turns like a headlight. It goes in like a headlight, and you just turn it. And that's how it mounts in there. It's real simple, and I'll show you how to put it in there. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you get the old gasket off, and then you want to put a new one on. You can see the rubber gasket right there. So now you got that in place. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your new canister, and then you put it up in there like a headlight, and it has notches on the sides, and so it lines up with those notches, and then you just turn it to where it's straight up and down, and that's the whole procedure. And I'll show you how to do that right now. So now once you got it in there, you want to turn it straight up and down. So there it is, mounted straight up and down. All you do is connect your hose back. There's no clamp on this hose because there's no pressure on it. So this hose just slides over top of this extended nipple, and then you put your plug in. And that's all there is to it. And like I always say, why pay someone else thousands of dollars when you can do it yourself? If you like this video, do us a favor, subscribe to the channel, and hit that like button, and we can keep putting out more videos for you.